Hi friends, I'm Dr. Jessie, and today I have a flow for you that's designed to get the spine moving, but also get the energy moving up and down your spine. And all you're going to need is a mat. And we're going to start in a simple kneeling position. If this is uncomfortable for you, then you can do all fours. I like kneeling because we get a little arch in the lower back. So let's close the eyes and start with our breath. Just take a nice big inhale through your nose and exhale through the nose. So just feeling the breath moving up your spine, feeling it in the rib cage on the inhale and the exhale. Right now, we want to think about moving the breath up and down our spine. So it's okay if you feel a little lift to your shoulders as you take in a little bit more air. And then move the breath back down. Now, as you inhale, start to lift your chest up. And exhale as you round. Inhale so you feel that breath, you feel that movement lift up. And exhale back down. I want you to start to feel that you're moving energy up your spine and then back down. So we're adding just a little bit more of movement and a lift, and we're pumping that energy up the spine and back down. Use your breath, find that movement, and then back down. Now we're going to move into all fours. So come into all fours. Start with a cat-cow. Inhale, arch your spine, gaze up. Exhale as you round. Round your whole back. So tuck your tail, push your hands into the mat, round the upper back. Inhale, the breath starts and the movement follows. So all the way to the top. And then exhale back down. Right now, your goal is to coordinate this movement with the breath. So you inhale, you try to coordinate the top of your inhale with the top of your movement, and then back down. Now, let's start to move that energy again. So you're inhaling, but you're lifting that energy, and then rolling the energy back down your spine. So it's a little bit more of a free movement. You might be making a different shape than me with your body. Start to add some circles with the hips and just let those circles move and wash up your spine. And again, we're just thinking of the intention of moving energy up and down our spine. Now, as you're doing this, start to notice where you feel any restriction in your back, where you might feel that the energy and the breath can't move. For me, it's in my upper back. So I'm going to start to direct my attention a little bit more into my upper spine and just trying to pump that area, just loosen it up. So your area might be in the low back. So you might be just tilting your low back a little bit more. Wherever it is for you, close your eyes and just see if you can spend a little bit of time in that area. Not really worrying about the shape that you're making with your body. It's a good chance, good time to keep your eyes closed if you want to. And let's come back into that cat-cow. So the inhale, lift the chest. Yeah, I feel so much better in my middle back. Just feel fluid up and down my entire spine. And when you've completed that, we'll just take one more little series. So from all fours, you're going to lift and arch, and then start to come all the way down. Place your hands in line with your chest, just lifting the chest, engaging the back, and then coming into a Sphinx pose. So we want to make this active with the hands. We're pressing down through the palms and the forearms, and we're lifting the chest. And now we're concentrating on the breath on the front line of the body. So just following that line of energy from your navel up through the chest and the throat, and then back down. Try to keep your neck long. So even though I'm lifting and lengthening the front of my neck, I'm not arching into the back of my neck. So there's a lot of activity here. There's a lot of movement and tension, so you can feel that energy in your whole body, even though you're not moving that much. Just feeling that lift of the chest, the expansion of collarbones. And then rest for a moment. And bring yourself back up. And then finding a place to rest. It could be child's pose, arms outstretched. Or you may wish to lie on your back. Whatever position that you choose, just close your eyes. Take a few moments here, breathing up your spine on the inhale and back down on your exhale. Enjoy, and I'll see you next time.